Paul Wetzel.
That's right. Watching that snow move on through tonight. And I'm not expecting a lot of snow overnight, but it doesn't take a whole lot to cause trouble. And I love looking at this bridge over the Shenango River because this is the perfect example to show you how treated versus untreated surfaces are. The center of the bridge where the cars are driving on has been treated, and you can plainly see there's no snow on there, but the sidewalks off to the side, snow covering it. So anything treated tonight most likely will be okay on into tomorrow morning. But the snowfall is picking up in intensity. Let's go ahead and take a look at Doppler radar tonight. Temperatures are below freezing all across the area, but this latest snow band that finally got going, you know, it took a while for this stuff to break through the dry air this evening, but it has done so now, and starting to see heavier snow from central parts of Mercer County stretching down through Mahoning County and now down into central and western Columbiana counties from Hanoverton on over to the Tea Garden area, Leetonia, Salem, and stretching right up through Canfield, Boardman, and Youngstown tonight. The deeper the blue, the heavier the snow. Wouldn't be surprised to get an inch or two out of this, possibly up to 3 in isolated spots on into tomorrow morning. More heavy snow off to our west, but what I'm expecting is for this band to just continue to pivot off to the northwest here as we go through the night, and that will leave parts of eastern Columbiana County and extreme eastern Mahoning County a little drier as we get deeper into the night. Look at the sharp cutoff point from the precipitation going off to the northeast to turning around and coming back as lake effect snow across northern Michigan. That's what's going to happen here at home as we go into tomorrow. So the big storm, the blizzard going up the East Coast, and this thing is just exploding tonight, and it's going to absorb most of the energy out of the storm system we're dealing with this evening as the night goes on into tomorrow. So I went a little wider here tonight to show you how the storm off to the east just basically pulls the system in that we're dealing with here at home tonight, and it's going to take it and then fling it off to the northeast. Behind it, that air wraps around, and that will fire up the lake effect snows as we go into tomorrow afternoon and especially on into tomorrow night and right on into Thursday morning. So here we are tonight this is that intense band that I was talking about. Watch what happens here. As we head toward midnight and 1 o'clock in the morning, it starts to shift off to the northwest. Keep notice, southern and southeastern Columbiana County starting to dry out a little, and that's going to be the case into tomorrow morning, where only a trace of snow is expected. The heavier snow off to the north and northwest, but it does return tomorrow, and through the day tomorrow, we're going to see on and off snow showers. That continues tomorrow night, and it's pretty much the broken record. Tomorrow night right into Wednesday, dealing with lake effect snow showers. Some of those could get more intense as we get deeper into Wednesday. So tonight, 26 snow, a trace to 2 inches possible, up to 3 in some isolated spots, enough to create slippery spots through tomorrow morning. 28 your high temperature tomorrow, snow likely, another 1 to 3 inches possible, up to 4 in isolated spots. That's on top of what fell across the area tonight into tomorrow morning. Another 1 to 3 inches on into tomorrow night. So you can plainly see the snow is adding up through the middle of the week, and the wind picks up. That means some blowing and drifting snow into Wednesday. Cold temperatures around through the end of the week. We start warming up, but another storm moves in Friday and Saturday. This time it will be rain and snow showers with slightly warmer temperatures into your first day of spring.